Mother Nature can be breathtakingly beautiful, but when she's angry, she reminds us just how powerful she truly is. From massive tornadoes tearing through towns to volcanic eruptions lighting up the sky, today we're counting down 50 times nature unleashed its fury, caught on camera. Will you dare to do such risky thing if that kind of massive flood is chasing your car? House right beside the river always feels amazing, as long as it's on the side, not in the river like this one. I don't understand why these people are enjoying this massive landslide. Should they? That happened in India in 2023 due to heavy rains. As a result, rivers overflown, and just like that, nature showed its fury and many houses were destroyed. This storm hit the Brisbane, Australia in 2014. It is looking so strong, it's like it's going to disappear the whole city in minutes. This video was filmed in South Florida when the lightning hit a car. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident. However, all the people there were definitely terrified. This video is filmed by the tourists visiting the site. The water flow is not a mountain stream, it's clearly a flood full of mud. Luckily, all of them were safe. This landslide happened in Nepal. The motorcyclist was so lucky in this video, just seconds away from the incident.
No. No, man. No. Oh, man. के भयो यस्तो?
We all know that glaciers always looks beautiful and amazing, but not when they slide right in front of you and push a massive wave towards you. It's terrifying.
We better get out of here.
Check out these two back-to-back videos when nature shows its anger by dropping tremendous lightning on us. I always love cold, foggy weather, but honestly, it's not always fun. Check out this video when a fog caused a massive accident involving 40 vehicles. People love to film tornadoes. They risk their life by chasing it for a clear, awesome shot. But the person in this video accidentally came across the birth of a tornado. This happened in Myanmar in 2024 when they made this for water storage for mining. But nature was not agreed with this action of human, and a massive, terrible mud flood destroyed everything. That happened in Italy. The workers felt the danger and left the site. Just after a few minutes, this massive rock crashed down. I am not sure. Was it wind that flew that car, or is it something supernatural? I don't think it's a good idea to build a house by the river. I mean, this happens again and again.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
That eruption happened in Hawaii back in 2018. The lava flew slowly but super close to the houses. The resident was horrified by this terrifying event. This flood happened in 2011 in Italy due to heavy nonstop rain. Over $1 billion damage was done due to that flood.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice.
This is freaking cool, dude. This is actually dope.
Check out how the wind brought water from the lake and the cold weather froze everything. Looks like the house and trees are made of ice. Isn't it amazing?
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Oh my god. Sorry for being so like, this is unbelievable.
Never underestimate the power of water, the most power element of the nature.
Sigue corriendo. Hubo gente que salió despedida con los coches.
This tsunami that hit the California due to an earthquake in Japan was not that powerful in this port, but still more than $25 million damage was done.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets under.
This happened in India due to non-stop raining for a few days. As a result, this bridge became victim of the nature.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
We know that floods are bad, but it is worst when it's in cold weather and full of ice. This happened in Boston in 2018, after which the houses and cars were completely covered in ice.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
That happened in Scotland when a terrifying flood hit those innocent trailers at the nighttime, which is worst.
incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un...
This massive hailstorm hit Denver, Colorado in 2017. It was right about the size of golf balls, shattering the windows of houses like it's nothing. That happened in Russia when some tourists were climbing down the mountain and the powerful rock slide started. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident.
Аккуратней! Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней!
Check out this amazing volcano eruption clouds. It was so massive, people saw it from 100 kilometers. Hurricane Dolores was the biggest hurricane that ever hit the US.
Thing. But yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, Mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close.
This tornado is so massive, looks like it's going to be the end of the world.
Peering out from his office window, he witnessed several vortexes swirling together to form a gigantic tornado. In the photos, it might just seem like a big cloud, but watching it swirl around is downright eerie.
This is completely ridiculous. They're like shattering when they hit the ground.
Just check out how strong is this storm. This proves how powerful is Mother Nature. This video proves that you need to be very careful while visiting flood-expecting areas. I think nature didn't want this gas station there, so it buried it underground.
생선 페트롤 팜착 레이미닌 팜 이치아니 히안.
And that's 50 times Mother Nature showed us who's boss. From raging storms to unstoppable lava flows, these moments prove that the Earth is as unpredictable as it is powerful. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping content, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.